What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe for caramelized pork spare ribs. Here are all the ingredients you'll need for a serving of 4. You will need 1 pound of pork spare ribs, half of a shallot to be minced, 6 cloves of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, as much black pepper as you prefer, and optionally 1 tablespoon of food dye, which consists of sugar and cooking oil. You'll also want a clay pot. Cooking in a clay pot enhances the deep flavors, and the heat retention increases the tenderness of the pork. The one I'm using is a Ongji clay pot from Perfect Kitchen Co. It is very well crafted and the perfect size for cooking stews, soups, meats, and other hot dishes. You can get $3 off by using the promo code FOODWITHDEV. The link is in the description below. The first step is to prepare the pork. Start by laying out the ribs on a cutting board. You'll want to cut the pork in about 1-inch cubes, avoiding the bone. Next, boil the ribs for a minute or so to get rid of any impurities. We will be slow cooking the pork, so it does not have to be fully cooked yet. The next step is to marinate the pork. In the clay pot, add in all of the ribs, along with the minced shallot, the minced garlic, the 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, the 2 tablespoons of sugar, the 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, the black pepper, and the food dye if you do decide to use it. Then give it a good mix and let it marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. Once the time is up, the next step is to simmer the pork. Turn the stove on to high heat, and once it starts to boil, flip the pork around a few times to let it fully cook and soak in all the sauce. At this point, you'll notice the pork has a nice gold brown color to it, and that comes from the food dye. After about 3 minutes, add in enough water to submerge the pork. You'll want to scoop out the foam on top, also known as the scum, which comes from boiling meat. Try to scoop up as much of it as you can. Then turn the temperature to low, place the lid on top, and let it simmer for an additional 10 to 20 minutes until the liquid is about halfway gone. Now you know how to make caramelized pork spare ribs. You can add some chopped green onions for more flavors and some chili to spice things up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And now it's your turn to get cooking.